Across Fresno County, education makes an impact. Learning inspires students, dedicated teachers ensure success, and these stories strengthen our communities. Watch Education Matters, Mondays at 6:30 on KC24. Local news that matters. Brought to you by EECU, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University.
It was their turn to enter the ring, showing the goats they'd raised. Their animals may not take home the top prize, but for these Sunnyside High students, being able to compete is huge.
As a new school with FFA, being able to show that we are able to compete with the rest of the schools, like coming from nothing basically, so we're able to compete with that. It's pretty big for our school.
For Ag students, showing their products at the fair is the culmination of their hard work. For those enrolled in Sunnyside's fledgling program, it was the opportunity to show how their pathway has grown.
Even since my freshman year, the only thing we did were a couple of plants and some chickens. Now we have AgMech projects, some of the AgMech projects that are winning awards. We have like half the greenhouse is our plants. And it's a great way to show the growth over the years. Sunnyside High School is part of the largest urban school district in Fresno County, and its students are city kids, which makes the Fresno Unified School District's commitment to ag even more important.
Fresno County is one of the largest agricultural producers in the nation. For Fresno Unified being such a large school and not having a official ag program, we just wanted to push in and get that opportunity open to our students.
While Sunnyside has offered ag courses for years, the program became an official FFA chapter 4 years ago and will be graduating its first cohort of students next spring.
This is our first ag senior class because that's when it started, was my freshman year. I'm really proud of it, We started with 20 students that wanted to do stuff, and now we have hundreds of students that want to be here constantly.
The agri-science and technology pathway is not only exposing students to the different careers in ag, but they are also learning about where their food comes from. There are chicken coops right on campus. Students walk past them every day on their way to class.
So we sell eggs from these ones out here. These are all egg layers, and then our show birds. So the ones that are here now are just our birds that we keep.
Adjacent to the Sunnyside campus is 17 acres. The district is developing into an ag complex to be used by all schools and the surrounding community. For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.